Greets to all, my name is Renan. In this video, we'll explore how to integrate the Kit platform with the HubSpot software app. So to start, we need to access the platform's documentation. Coming here on the right menu, Documents. Inside the documentation, we're going to navigate to the integration section, Marketplace, Integration, setting up an integration with HubSpot. Basically, we must follow this step by step, and that's what we're going to do in this video. So the first step is to install the platform software here. So for that, we have this link that takes us to the download screen where we are going to select our operating system here. And at this point, we are going to proceed with opening it. So the installation process is extremely straightforward, requiring no additional settings or configurations at this particular moment in time. At this moment, we will proceed to log in utilizing our Kit platform account credentials. Currently, I have my software installed, and we can proceed with our step-by-step integration of HubSpot without any delays or obstacles in our path. So let's access HubSpot, and here inside HubSpot, we're going to navigate in the top menu, specifically in the Marketplace section and in the Apps Marketplace section of the HubSpot platform. So here we are going to search for Voximplant and then click on the search result we have for Voximplant. At present, as I am recording this video, it is not yet accessible for production on the Marketplace. However, what you will have is a screen that is similar to this one after you click on Inbox in Planet Kit. And we're going to come then to the Connect App part. Once again, we need to authenticate with our platform user. And we get this message that the integration is complete. The information from our account, and we can go to HubSpot. So here inside HubSpot, if we search for a contact, like this one, for example, I already have a test number configured for this call. And if I click on call for this contact, I need to authenticate again with my Kit account data the first time I use it. We currently possess the call connection utilizing the Kit software that we already have in place and operational. So I have already received the call at this location. I am able to answer and engage in a normal conversation. And here we can observe that all of the calls will be recorded within the user's account. So we also possess this information in the documentation regarding how to access the records and calls that have been made within the HubSpot platform. That's it. Hope that helped. Thanks a lot for watching this video.